Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your chats in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Messenger application or go to Messenger website from your browser. Then once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the chat section, hover your mouse to the chat that you want to hide. Then click to this three-dot button. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you can see archive chats. Click to archive chats, then your chat will be hidden. This is how you can hide your chats in Messenger from your PC. To access that hidden chat, click to archive from this menu bar. From there, you can access your hidden chat. This is how you can hide chat in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.